gonna create it. I mean survival. Stop doing that shit.
You're gonna create what?
I'm going to survival now.
Dude, why do you have all diamond armor?
Because I don't want to use it.
Then we need some too.
I get it.
How? What?
I don't know.
Pretty impossible. You know that that's gonna go over the whole thing.
That's a shame you won't go long and
But well, like
Can you not fucking testify? I'm not trying to be rude. Christian. Creeper.
What the heck? Oh, that creeper did not. It broke the freaking Brotherhood Bridge.
You saw it, it didn't jerk. You saw it, didn't jerk. Good told. You got so excited. You got so excited.
What did I got so excited?
You were excited about the Brotherhood.
Why did you burn it? Dude, it's gonna be good. Like,
Yeah, this is an interesting period for Dolly. This was a series that was originally
I want to go.
I want a milkshake,
the
honestly.
illustration for Dante's
Here, here's $15 more.
Dude, both of you guys are both not
for each verse of the poem. And I think he did 199 verses that was intended to be a cover of the book.
You said you don't smell anything?
The closing to this Spanish surrealist illustrations.
I have
You know, poets of all time.
I smell gunpowder. Oh, I smell gunpowder. Cabernet. Look at this.
By the subject matter, it looks to me like this would be the last part of the trilogy.
The name of the world is called.
I'm sure the French publisher was amazed that something like that would fall into his lap, because at the time, France was the epicenter of surrealism.
Three colors in the name of the world.
So to actually have something like this fall into their lap, I'm sure they wrote it down.
What do you think of the
And Rick, you had me down here, I'm sure you know
The name of the world is called. And if you look at the three colors,
The Brotherhood sign.
the name of the world is called three.
Really?
What exactly are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking just to verify the media, and I also want to take a closer look at the signature too. Just for authenticity.
You fell it.
Did you feel the brush on your teeth this morning?
What?
Did you feel the brush on your teeth this morning?
You felt it live. I think I did better than you. Sounds you're about to get shot at 45.
Stop touching being the most annoying kid in the world.
no, he's like that all the time. Aggravating,
Rick, I mean, they were published.
bothering,
And they were published at different times. There were two French editions, and then later there was a subsequent German edition.
What?
And so they're out there in the thousands.
No? What do you think I'm doing? I'm building an eyeball.
Thanks, guys.
Did y'all wash up? You wash your face and hands? Brady, you wash your face? Brady, did you wash your face? Okay, let's all get our stuff here.
Finally.
Huh?
I said finally.
Finally? Why, am I bothering you or something?